Would you open your door if something knocked during a snowstorm? Every winter in the mountains of Japan, there's one rule: never open the door. During a snowstorm at night, one night, he heard it. Tap, tap, tap. He looked outside. Nothing, just footprints, leading to his door, but never going back. It came again. Tap, tap, tap. Slower this time. He felt it. Something was waiting. But he opened the door anyway. No one, just cold air, rushing in. He shut it, heart pounding, and turned around. Pause. She was already inside, whisper smiling. By morning, the house was frozen. The door never fully closed.